Hey everyone, if your freezer looks like the inside of an ice cave right now, I have got some great news for you. You do not need to spend an hour chipping away at that frost with a knife or spatula. There is a much faster and safer way to get it done. Let me start with what you should absolutely never do. Using a knife, ice pick, screwdriver, or any sharp metal tool to scrape frost is extremely dangerous. I know it feels satisfying to chip away at that ice, but you are one slip away from puncturing your freezer coils. Here is why that matters so much. Your freezer has refrigerant lines running through the walls that you cannot see. If you puncture one of these, your entire refrigerator is basically ruined. We are talking about a repair that costs more than buying a new fridge, and you might be releasing harmful chemicals too. Even plastic scrapers can cause damage if you use too much force. The interior walls of your freezer are actually pretty thin and can crack or dent easily. Those scratches also create rough surfaces where ice builds up even faster next time. So here is the method that actually works. First, take everything out of your freezer. Put your frozen food in a cooler with ice packs or ask a neighbor if you can use their freezer for about an hour. This step is not optional if you want to do this right. Now unplug your refrigerator completely. I know some people skip this step, but it is important for safety and it actually helps the defrosting process work faster. The compressor is not fighting against you trying to refreeze everything. Place old towels on the bottom of your freezer and on the floor in front of it. You are going to have a lot of water soon, and you do not want it flooding your kitchen. A shallow baking pan inside the freezer can also catch dripping water. Here is the game changer. Boil a large pot of water and carefully place it inside the freezer on a trivet or folded towel to protect the surface. Close the door and wait about 10 minutes. The steam will loosen the ice from the walls incredibly fast. After 10 minutes, open the door and you will see the magic happening. Large chunks of ice should be falling off on their own or coming loose with just a gentle push from a wooden spoon or plastic spatula. No scraping, no force needed. If some stubborn spots remain, reheat your water and repeat the process. You can also dip a cloth in hot water and hold it against the ice for 30 seconds. It will release without any damage to your freezer walls. For really thick ice buildup, here is another trick. Fill a spray bottle with hot water and a tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. Alcohol lowers the freezing point of water, so this solution melts ice faster than hot water alone. Spray it directly on the frost. Once all the ice is gone, dry the inside completely with clean towels. Any moisture left behind is just going to freeze again immediately when you plug the fridge back in. Take your time with this step and get every surface dry. Before putting food back, wipe down all the surfaces with a solution of 2 tablespoons of baking soda mixed with a quart of warm water. This cleans and deodorizes at the same time, giving you a fresh start. Now let us talk about preventing this from happening again. The number one cause of freezer frost is warm, humid air getting inside. Check your door seal by closing the door on a dollar bill. If you can pull it out easily, your seal needs to be replaced. Other prevention tips include not leaving the freezer door open while you decide what to eat, making sure food is completely cool before freezing it, and keeping your freezer at least 3/4 full. A full freezer actually maintains temperature better and frosts less.